If the point P lies on the line segment A and B, then which of the following is true? See, the following question can be handled in two ways. We can find the distance between the points, right, using the distance formula and do it. It will be lengthy, not feasible. Then is your section formula. So what is that we are looking at? Well, for section formula, we need to have the clarity of which are the extreme values and which is the midpoint, not exactly midpoint, along the line, which is the middle point. Again, not middle per se. You guys got what I mean, right? So let me draw a diagram. See guys, here if you want to use section formula, you have to draw a rough diagram. Okay, and then you'll get the idea about where P is, where A is, where B is. Not every time point P is in between A and B. Okay, so it's a good question to show that. Here we can see clearly that all the points are on the first quadrant, in your first quadrant. So the values are 2, 4 and 8. Okay, I'll make a scale, something like that. So this is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, yes. And this would be 1, 2 and 8. So this will be 1, 2 and 4. 4. Okay, this is good enough. First point is 2 and 1. It's over there. Then we have 4 and 2. It's over here. 8 and 4. It's over there. So clearly point P is over here. Point A is over here and point B is over here. Again, see, it need not be that we have all of them as A, P and B. Okay, it need not be that. So P being somewhere along the line, it need not be that. So here P and B are extremes and we have M is to N. Okay, and this is 2, 1. Sorry, 4, 2. So you have to figure out what exactly the ratio between AP and, well, there are quite a few things. Let's see this. First, if we get an expression for M is to N, then we'll be able to figure out everything else. So this is 2, 1. P is 2, 1. Okay, so what is that we are looking at? We have section formula. So either we can just use one of it, or if you want to verify, you can use both of it. That is, x is what? x2m plus x1n divided by m plus n, right? Let me write it a bit neater. x2m plus x1n whole thing divided by m plus n. Okay, so what I mean is we have y is also equal to y2m plus y1n divided by m plus n, is it not? So we can go in either ways. We can just use x or y, or you can use both for finding and verifying, right? So this would be x over here would be 4 is equal to x2 is 8. Again, you should be clear where is m and where is n. M is over here, then x2 is over here. Okay, so something like that has to be clear. So all of this divided by m plus n. So we can cross multiply and stuff. We have 4m plus 4n is equal to 8m plus 2n. And we have transposing and things. So we have 8m minus 4m is equal to, wait, no, okay, doesn't matter. Here we have, or there we have 4n minus 2n. Please don't get confused. I kind of, let me not. This is what I was doing. So 4n minus 2n. So this is 2n, which is equal to 4m. So clearly m is to n is what? 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 is equal to m by n, right guys? So this is in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Clearly it's seen in the diagram. right? Since it's an MCQ question, we can just draw the diagram and figure out the answer. Like here, AP is 2AB by 3, clearly not. You don't need to do this for MCQ question. Okay, because you'll be able to, from the diagram, you'll be able to tell this directly. So for MCQ question, you can just do the diagram. Yeah, coming back, let's see if the options are obvious. If not obvious, then you have to do the calculation. AP is AB by 3, clearly not, because AP is smaller. AP is equal to PB, clearly not again. PB, this entire length is AB by 3. PB. Oh, sorry, PB is no, not again. So AP is AB by 2. Yes, it has to be option D. So it's very clear from this options and the diagram that option D is the answer. You don't need to do this. So for MCQ question, this is enough. So diagram is enough for MCQ questions. But yeah, if you want to make it a 2-marker version, then you have to write all of this. Okay, yes, generally they'll ask the ratios and that's it. Okay, so let's plot it off to confirm our understanding. So remember here point P is the extreme value, one of the extreme value. So this is 2:1. The other point is 8,4 and they are in the ratio of 1:2. And we have the graph, right? If I point on that, please read the value over here. It has to be, what is that, 4,2. Is it so? Yes. Okay, approximately 4,2. Clearly, we have the answer. This is P, this is A, and this is B. So clearly the question is to help you guys calculate this with the help of a diagram. So for MCQ question, this is enough. For 2-marker version, this is your traditional answer. Okay, so I hope you guys are learning how to think for MCQ question as well.